This short video will show how Polylok products are installed in the production of septic tanks and vaults. Here we see a typical tank form with 4 hinged doors and an inner core. Mandrels for the cast-in seals or boots are fastened to the form doors. Seals or boots are then loaded onto the mandrels. The form doors are then closed. The seals or boots are now sealed off on the inner core. Polylok stocks various styles of door clamps, hinges, and posts. Riser locators are an easy way of locating risers and holding them in place. Riser pans can be located and held in place using breakaway mold fastening nails. The tank form is now ready for the concrete mix. Typically, a rebar cage or similar reinforcement would be placed in the form at this point. Concrete is now poured around all sides and up to the top of the form. Concrete is also added inside the riser pan. The top of the tank is now troweled smooth. A handle for the riser pan plug and pocket formers for lifting are now added. After the concrete is cured, the pocket formers are removed. A lifting device is attached to the tank. Door clamps are released and all 4 doors are hinged open. The tank is now carefully lifted off the form. Any boot seal that was collapsed during pouring is now expanded. The riser pan plug is now loosened or can be removed. Polylok, providing quality, innovative products for the precast concrete industry.